Hi, I'm Bill with SleevSaver. Today I'm going to explain how to apply and reapply SleevSaver to your prosthetic socket. Additionally, on the back side of our package, we also have instructions in use and care for your reference as well. To apply SleevSaver, you first must clean the area of the socket of which you're applying SleevSaver. Once you have done that, SleevSaver is a double-sided product that has a PET film protection on one side of the product. So basically all you do is just take and peel the PET film off and you're ready to apply. SleevSaver has extreme adhesion qualities and will not move when the suspension sleeve is rolled up over the socket. Just like that. Once again, it has extreme adhesion qualities. It's very elastistical, and also it leaves no residue on my hands or on the prosthetic socket. So you just simply walk it around and apply SleevSaver. We recommend that you just barely go over the socket trim line when applying it there. We don't want to intrude inside the socket with the residual limb. But when you are done installing or applying SleevSaver, all you have to do now is just roll your sleeve up over SleevSaver and it will stay exactly where you have placed SleevSaver. If you happen to have a crimp, maybe around a rounded edge, you can just simply find that, push it down, and SleevSaver will mesh right into the socket. That's SleevSaver. If you have an intrusion below the trim line, I've had that happen many of times. Just simply take and cut a larger area of SleevSaver to cover that intrusion, put it on the socket, remove the PET film from the SleevSaver, and you're ready to go. SleevSaver is also reusable in the fact that if it loses its adhesion strength, maybe by taking it on and off or playing with it, whatever, you can just simply take and peel SleevSaver off your socket, wash it in mild soap and water, pat dry it or air dry, and SleevSaver will regain its original adhesion qualities. So it's reusable. Additionally, SleevSaver is recyclable as well. We are proud to be ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified with our manufacturing and our green energy product as well. So with that, thank you very much. Have a great day.